Alright folks, here we got a Kuhn Knight. It's a model 8132 ProTwin Slinger manure spreader. We'll just do a quick walk around it to show you the quality and appearance. Okay, the unit's been touched up in areas, the paint, just so you know. Wherever it was flaking, it was sanded down, rhino lined over it, then primed, then painted so that it shouldn't peel in a long time. The tread on the tires are in really nice shape. Good tread on all tires. I'll put the tire size in the description. Here, I'll give you them now. They're 21.5 L-16.1 SLs. It's got a light kit on the back. There's a tread on these tires. All tires have nice tread. I'll go ahead and show you the hitch. Hitch is thick and in nice condition. Now I'll go ahead and I'll climb up there and show you the augers. Augers are in nice shape, they're thick, sides are in good shape, thick sides. Zoom in on them here. And there you have it. This unit will be sold on auction time. No reserve auction. Sold to the highest bidder. Any questions, please call. For out-of-state buyers, we have loading assistance here. If you want to pull it, it pulls good. We'll get you loaded. We have loading docks, forklifts, you name it, we'll get you loaded. I'll go ahead and show you the hammers. They're in nice shape. Walk around it one more time here to show you the appearance. And again, it has been touched up in areas, but they've done a nice job. Thank you for watching my video. It's got small 1000 PTO, hydraulic door and a hydraulic pan. In the next video I'll show you it operating.